Hey everybody, welcome back from spring break. I am so glad you are here. One thing that I want to say to start is congratulations for getting that resume done. I know that that was a tough project for some of you. Um, and because I know it was a tough project for some of you, this week is actually going to be dedicated in part to you guys having an opportunity to revise and resubmit that resume. So I'm going to go over all that as I go through the weekly agenda. So if you look at the weekly agenda, the first thing is this assignment called digital interview. In other words, what's going to be happening is you guys are going to be doing an interview as though you were applying for that dream job. And imagine that somebody basically said, "So why should we hire you for this job? Why are you the perfect candidate for this job?" And you're just going to record a little video in which you explain why you are the best fit. And I'm going to do another video inside that assignment that gives you further instructions and details on that assignment. So go ahead and click in there to do that. You have 3 days to do this assignment. The first one is essentially viewing the video, checking out my instructions, sort of preparing a written response, if you will. The second day you're going to work on it, you are going to actually record your video. It'll probably take a couple of takes for you to do it well. I highly recommend that you dress up a little bit for it because you are pretending that you are going on an actual job interview. And then finally, you have one date. Your last day is editing any issues you had in the video and then submitting it to Canvas. We are going to next week come back and we're going to be viewing all of these digital interviews. So all of your classmates are going to see these interviews that you're doing, and then one lucky class member will be hired as being the best interviewee in the process. So the other part of what you guys are going to be doing this coming week is you guys are going to have time to sort of revise your resumes that you turned in your Zoom meetings. You guys are going to be doing an activity in which you guys are going to essentially be like peer editing and providing feedback and help to each other. And I am going to be providing feedback and help. We're going to look at example resumes that were turned in, and I'm going to talk about some general mistakes, common mistakes that were made. And then you guys are going to have an opportunity to go back and fix them. If you want, you will be resubmitting to that exact same assignment on Canvas your resume, and it'll be your final version, and that's due on Friday. If you don't resubmit, then I won't, have a chance to grade it anew with a better opportunity for you to get a better grade. So I highly encourage you all to take advantage of that opportunity to essentially fix any flaws in your resume and resubmit it. But like I said, I'll just grade what's there. So if you don't resubmit, that's up to you, and I'll be grading sort of the first draft you turned in of this assignment. So that's it. You guys have two things going on. Number one, the digital interviews, and number two, you guys are going to be revising and resubmitting those resumes. That's this entire week. Make sure that you are following along with each of the different days and what you're supposed to be doing in the Canvas agenda in order to make sure that your week goes smoothly. And as a reminder, don't procrastinate. That's what'll get you. So anyway, love you guys. Miss you guys. Bye.